If GOG Galaxy is showing error 0xc00007b when you try to open it, don't worry, this is usually caused by a problem with the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable on your system. In this video, I'll show you the simple fix step by step so you can get GOG Galaxy working again. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open any web browser on your PC. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you already have installed. In the search bar, type Microsoft Visual C++ and press Enter. You want to look for the official Microsoft support page, so click on the first link that appears in the search results. Once the Microsoft page opens, scroll down until you find the latest support version 14 download section. This is the redistributable package that often fixes the 0xc00007b error because it replaces missing or damaged runtime files that GOG Galaxy needs to launch properly. Now, you need to choose the correct version for your PC. If you are using a 32-bit system, select x32. If you are using a 64-bit system, select x86. It can be a little confusing, but the key is to pick the file that matches your system type so the installation works correctly. After selecting the right version, download the installer and then run it on your computer. Follow the on-screen installation steps and let the setup finish completely. If Windows asks you to repair or install the package, go ahead and allow it. Once the installation is done, restart your PC to make sure all the changes are applied properly. After your computer starts back up, open GOG Galaxy again and check if the error is gone. In most cases, installing the correct Microsoft Visual C++ package fixes the 0xc00007b issue right away and lets the program launch normally. If you still see the error, double check that you installed the correct version and that the setup completed without any problems. This is one of the most common fixes for this error, so it's definitely worth trying before moving on to anything more advanced. If this video helped you fix GOG Galaxy error 0xc00007b, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.